I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop furniture sliding around while also protecting your floors with Slipstick's premium furniture gripper range. This is a packet of 1 1/4 inch or 32mm Slipstick grippers and contains 8 feet. These feet come in different sizes to suit the furniture leg and a light and dark brown colour choice. The patented Slipstick gripping foot is a permanent solution to unwanted furniture movement. The firm rubber O-ring provides grip and protection to the floor surface and will not compress over time. The foot can be attached to furniture in 2 ways. A simple peel and stick self-adhesive or, for a more permanent attachment, a screw-on method. We recommend pre-drilling to avoid splitting. Then, screw the body into place and you're done. These simple instructions are located on the back of the packet. All Slipstick feet are backed by a 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.